Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out your secret recovery phrase on the Aqua Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Aqua Wallet app on your device, and after you have logged in using your credentials, you will end up within the wallet page. From here, you can tap on settings at the bottom right corner to end up within the settings menu. Now, if you have not already saved your secret recovery phrase, then from this page, you can scroll a little bit down until you reach the advanced settings menu. Here you can tap on the view seed phrase option, and you will now see a series of warnings. The most important thing is to make sure that you are the only person that will view the screen that follows. After making sure of it, tap on the next button. Now, if you have set up a biometric verification, you will be asked to provide your fingerprint. So go ahead and provide it. And now you will be shown your secret recovery phrase. You cannot take a screenshot of this screen, so make sure to make a manual note. After you have saved your recovery phrase within a safe space, make sure that you can access it anytime in the future. And now you have successfully backed up your secret recovery phrase. This will be helpful if you lose access to your account at any time in the future. Even if you lose your phone, you can log into your existing account and regain access to all of your assets by using the secret recovery phrase. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to view your secret recovery phrase on the Aqua Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.